हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज हम बात करेंगे सरदार का ग्रैंडसन के बारे में, विच इज़ नाउ स्ट्रीमिंग ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स। द फिल्म ऑफ कोर्स स्टार्स नीना गुप्ता, अर्जुन कपूर एंड रघुलप्रीत सिंह। फिल्म की कहानी के बारे में ऑलरेडी ट्रेलर से हमें एक आइडिया मिल गया है, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट ट्रेलर्स आर सपोज टू डू। इट बेसिकली रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड दिस 90-year-old वुमन कॉल सरदार, जिनकी बेसिकली एक आखिरी ख्वाहिश है टू विजिट हर होम इन लाहौर, जहाँ पर वो पार्टीशन के पहले अपने हस्बैंड के साथ रहती थी। नाउ she basically wants to go there, but she's unable to because of a lot of visa issues and a lot of things जो कि आपको फिल्म में देखने को मिलेंगी. And basically she's unable to go to Lahore to see her house. That's when Arjun Kapoor comes in, who's of course the grandson. Arjun Kapoor takes it upon himself कि अगर दादी घर तक नहीं जा सकती तो मैं घर को दादी के पास ले आऊँगा, which seems very odd. I mean, when you think of it, कि कोई इंसान एक घर को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले करके ट्रक पर जा रहा है, you just feel that how is it possible? I've seen the film and I still feel that. I mean, how is that possible? There were so many technical questions that kept on hitting my head. Ki, what if this happens? What if that happens? But guess what? They, sort of overcame everything and they just managed to bring the house from Lahore to Amritsar. This is not a spoiler, but this is, I mean, it's not really a thriller, so it's pretty obvious that it will happen, and it does happen in the end. However, मैंने फिल्म देख ली तो अभी भी मैं समझ नहीं पाई हूँ कि ये कैसे हुआ है, पर ये फिर भी हुआ है. Speaking of Arjun Kapoor, he plays Amrik in the film, जो कि अपनी पार्टनर राधा के साथ लॉस एंजलिस में रहते हैं, और वहाँ पे ही बेसिकली वर्क्स इन मूवर्स एंड पैकर्स company called Gently Gently, and he is just shown to be like really clumsy. Okay, like he's just all over the place, वो चीज़ें गिरा रहे हैं, तोड़ रहे हैं. कई जगहों पर it actually does seem funny, कई जगहों पे it just seems stupid. But I think all in all, one thing which I liked about the film was sometimes was just the fact that sometimes the humor does work and it did not seem forced. So that is one thing that I liked the film. Another thing which I liked about the film was the fact that they attempted to make a film focusing on a relationship between grandparents and grandchildren, which is something which has not really been delved into. Another thing which I liked about the film was Ragulpreet. Actually, let me rephrase. Another thing which I liked about the film was how beautiful Ragulpreet was looking in the film, because I wish she had some more I wish her role had some more relevance to the story. But I mean, ठीक है, जितना भी था, it was fine, but she looked really gorgeous. I mean, that is one thing that I have to give it to her stylist. वो बहुत ही सुंदर लगी हैं इस फिल्म में. But I really wish that there comes a day when we actually look at actresses not just for how pretty they look, but also for the performances. So I'm really looking forward to that, and Rakul has delivered in the past as well, so I actually have a lot of hopes from her. These are basically the things that I think I liked about the film. इसके अलावा उन चीज़ों के बारे में अगर बात करें which I did not like about the film was of course the story, which had no sense. And how is it possible for Arjun Kapoor to drive a house literally on a truck from Lahore to Amritsar? I cannot wrap my head around it. I mean, there is no logic whatsoever. So that is one thing which I did not connect with at all. Another thing is that जब भी हम पार्टीशन और इंडिपेंडेंस के ऊपर कंटेंट देखते हैं, we just expect a lot of connectivity with it. We just expect that some kind of emotional investment will be done from our side, because there are so many things out there, so many pieces of content rather, जो कि इन चीज़ों पर बने हैं, and they serve the purpose and they show it in a very beautiful, heartfelt way. इस फिल्म में I sadly could not really make that connect, and that emotional connect from my end, I think it was missing. Another thing is the music. I expected good music, पर जब trailer के कुछ time बाद, when the music started coming out and the songs were released, when I saw the kind of songs that were coming out, two songs evidently that I can think of, and both of them were remakes and recreations of like hit songs. So music, I'm sorry, I just did not like the music. There were only remake after remake, so I was disappointed right then. Film देखने के बाद भी I wish there was a song which I could sort of just take with me, but ऐसा नहीं हो पाया because I also expected a lot of things from this film क्योंकि नीना जी is a part of it, and the kind of things, the kind of films that she's doing, the kind of content that she's been a part of in the recent times, it's just amazing. तो मुझे सही में ऐसा लगा कि it's going to be like a surprise seeing her in this role. पर उस criteria में भी I think she was there, but I wouldn't say that oh my god what a performance. So Neena ji was, I mean, still, I think she was one of the saving graces of the film, apart from everything else that I might have liked about the film. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So Sardar Ka Grandson is streaming on Netflix right now. I think you can watch it with your family. It's one thing I like about the film is also the fact that it's a family entertainer. You can watch it with your family. It just gives you a lot of togetherness, vibes of togetherness, and just in times like these, I think if that is one thing that a film can give you, bring the entire family together while you're stuck at home, I think nothing better than that. If you actually are someone who gets too technical while watching film, you will have a million questions in your head, like I do right now even after watching the film. But you can just have a good time watching it with your family. And yeah, thanks for watching this review. Do let me know what you think, and I will be back soon with yet another review.